Hey guys, it's just me, Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and today we're demonstrating a unit that comes from Greg, and I believe it's Santa Maria, California. This customer has purchased this unit from eBay. It's a 70 Riviera 8-track. He's going to custom install it into his Mercedes, and so he's requested that this unit be converted for use with a Repro radio, and so we're just going to give it a quick test. First, let's make sure that it lets the aux signal through. I've got a set of aux jacks on the back of this. One side, other side, okay. And now we're going to turn this down so it doesn't kick out on overload when I put the tape in. That's a problem with my receiver, not the unit. So let's go ahead and push the Neil Sedaka tape in. Okay, now we're waiting for the next song. There we go. Switch tracks. Check the output. Make sure we got both speakers working. Okay, switch tracks a few more times. Okay, we're at the end of a song here, so we'll just wait for the next one to start. Or it might even be on a track change.
My search is through. Estimate this advice back home. I'll keep you in bananas and bring you're an angel on the way to work. Bye bye love, my health is due.
Do a little smack test. You can see I can beat the crap out of it. Doesn't bother it a bit. Alright, I'll pull our tape out, and normally you would expect the radio to come back on, but there's no radio this time, so that was it. There's not much to test on a conversion because I rip out all the old stuff and I put in all new stuff, and so it's good to go. So on that happy note, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and if you have an 8-track player that you want to convert for use with a Repro radio, I'm your man. Needless to say, I do all kinds of 8-track work on pretty much anything that is designed to play 8-track tape cartridges. That also means units out of video games, carnival rides, stuff like that. It's amazing how many things actually use the 8-track format back then. Games, computer games, stuff like that. So, my website is in the description below. My phone number is 928-533-9666, and that's a number to call only if you have a unit you want to send in for repair. It's not a number to find a belt or parts. There's just no time for that. Thanks so much for watching, listening. We'll see you guys next time.